We've tested 6 of the best-selling tabletop pellet grills and smokers. At number 6, we have Hello Doctor. 4-pound fuel hopper. 265 square inches of cooking surface. 180 to 500 degree temperature range. Limited 5-inch interior height. Cannot grill beer can chickens or large roasts. Fits 12 burgers or 24 hot dogs. Top advantages. Least expensive option. Includes meat probe, cover, and 3-piece utensil set. Sizable cooking surface with upper rack. Top disadvantages. Temperatures can vary 5 to 250 degrees from set temperature. Overheating errors occur on higher temperature settings. Cooking surface temperature can vary up to 150 degrees. 110-volt AC power only, can only be plugged into a wall outlet. At number 5, we have the Traeger Ranger. 8-pound fuel hopper. 176 square inches of cooking surface. 165 to 450 degree temperature range. Limited 5-inch interior height. Cannot grill beer can chickens or large roasts. Fits 6 to 7 burgers or 10 to 12 hot dogs. Top advantages. Heavy-duty construction. Included griddle and meat probe. Large fuel hopper. Top disadvantages. Temperatures can vary up to 85 degrees from set temperature. 110-volt AC power only, can only be plugged into a wall outlet. Limited size cooking surface and interior height. Higher priced than most similar models. At number 4, we have the Cuisinart CPG-256. 4-pound fuel hopper. 256 square inches of cooking surface. 180 to 500 degree temperature range. Limited 5-inch interior height. Cannot grill beer can chickens or large roasts. Fits 12 burgers or 24 hot dogs. Top advantages. Reaches 500 degrees in under 10 minutes. Sizable cooking surface with upper rack. Included meat probe. Top disadvantages. Temperatures can vary up to 55 degrees from set temperature. Smoke setting fluctuates between 180 and 235 degrees. 110-volt AC power only, can only be plugged into a wall outlet. Limited interior height, and a small fuel hopper. At number 3, we have the Halo Prime 300. 10-pound fuel hopper. 300 square inches of cooking surface. 180 to 500 degree temperature range. Limited 6-inch interior height. Cannot grill beer can chickens or large roasts. Holds 12 to 14 burgers or 24 to 30 hot dogs. Top advantages. Heavy-duty construction. Largest cooking surface with upper rack. Large control display with phone app connectivity. Portable power with the Halo battery and charger, sold separate. Top disadvantages. Temperature can vary up to 45 degrees from set temperature. Hardware has to be removed to clean the fire baffle and burn pot. No carrying handles and the length make it difficult to transport. Most expensive option. At number 2, we have the Pit Boss 150 PPS. 7-pound fuel hopper. 256 square inches of cooking surface. 180 to 500 degree temperature range. Limited 4.5-inch interior height. Cannot grill beer can chickens or large roasts. Fits 12 burgers or 24 hot dogs. Top advantages. Holds temperature within 5 degrees of set temperature. Sizable cooking surface with upper rack. Includes a lightweight cover. Top disadvantages. Can take up to 30 minutes to reach 500 degrees, which is 3 times longer than most grills. 110-volt AC power only, can only be plugged into a wall outlet. Meat probe is not included. Louder in operation than most grills. Coming in at number 1, we have the Freedom Portable Pellet Grill. 8.5-pound fuel hopper, 256 square inches of cooking surface, 165 to 500 degree temperature range plus sear mode. Peaked 10 5/8 inch lid offers the largest interior height. 2 beer can chickens, whole Thanksgiving turkey, burgers and dogs, pork shoulders, ribs, and more. Top advantages: holds temperature within 2 degrees of set temperature. AC and DC portable power, including both cords. Peaked lid offers the largest interior cooking space. Biggest temperature range in most even cooking surface. Produces the heaviest smoke output. Top disadvantages: control board readout is dim. Bigger than most tabletop grills. Cover is not included.